Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here. I'm going to be sharing my first withdrawal right from the beginning with you with Mypassivetrades. So as you know from my previous videos, I did double my account in here and I've shown you what it's all about. It's just real trading, Forex and crypto in the market, and then you get commission back and you can make 1.25% on each ad pack that you buy. So anyways, I'm going to jump in right from the beginning and I'm going to show you how to withdraw. So as you can see, I started just a few months ago and I put in $500 in the beginning and I now have over $1,000 earning me around 1% a day. And here's my total balance at the bottom. And I'm going to actually execute my first withdrawal today so that you can see that it's actually real and it's really quick and everything, and that you actually can withdraw from this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my wallet, go to withdraw money. So what I had to do before I was having problems, I had to go to accounts and add, and I had to go to Bitcoin and manage, and I added my Coinbase address there. So I chose Coinbase because I want to, it connects to PayPal so I can sell my money, sell my Bitcoin right away to my PayPal account and then transfer it to my bank account. But if you do want to accumulate Bitcoin and save up for the future, in case Bitcoin moons, you can use a different type of wallet, like a cold storage wallet or something. So anyways, I have my account in there, Coinbase. I'm just gonna go back and go back again. And so I'm gonna use my balance. It's the Bitcoin balance here, you see at the bottom. Amounts, I think I'll do just 100 because I will compound the other 49, I think. So there's $100 to account, the one I chose already. First card. So you just, it's a security question so that, no one can, steal your money or whatever if they hack your computer. So withdraw, hopefully that's right. So the withdrawal request has been initiated, so I'm going to have to come back because, as you know, confirmations on the blockchain need to happen in order for it to process through. I know it's really fast, so I'm going to have to come back and see you guys in a bit. All right, I'm back, guys. 3 hours ago, I placed my first withdrawal request from Mypassivetrades, and I was also wearing a different shirt. So yeah, all it took was 3 hours, and the withdrawal request went through. So you can see my balance here. My wallet is now down to $4 because I bought more ad shares, so they will compound and earn interest every day. So over here, history, I go to withdrawal history and just show you. I took out the $100. There's a small tiny fee, pennies on the dollar. Paid details. Let's see the description. It was, yep, taken out today, September 14th. And I got paid here to my Coinbase address, which is this one here, and here it is. So it was in USD, so the rate, it's more money in Canadian dollars. So received Bitcoin September 14th, the 0.0095, $130, which was $99 US converted. So, and then I sent more Bitcoin after. So yeah, if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to my channel and follow me, and I will show you more passive income opportunities that actually do work. So now I'm going to send this Bitcoin probably to another platform that will compound my Bitcoin for me. Details are actually in my other videos that I've shared here on YouTube. So yeah, also with Mypassivetrades, there's an amazing Facebook group with everyone on there showing their results, and the CEO actually does he does live videos on there, so you can do Q&As with them and ask any questions you do have. I'll put that below. I'll also put the join link below. And until next time, guys, take care. See ya. Bye.